I'm showing you now is a 2-channel wireless remote receiver designed for things like garage doors and motor control. Each light is a channel. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to work those relays. Power on. The remote and receiver aren't paired, so we're not able to control the lights yet. Click the learning button of the receiver once. Press the button on the remote control once. Press another button of the same remote control. The momentary mode is set successfully. Press and hold the remote control button and the corresponding relay on the receiver is turned on. Release the remote control button, and the corresponding relay on the receiver will turn off. Click the learning button of the receiver twice. Press the button on the remote control once. Press another button of the same remote control. The toggle mode is set successfully. Press the remote control button and the corresponding relay on the receiver will turn on. Press the remote control button again and the corresponding relay on the receiver will turn off. Click the learning button on the receiver 3 times. Press the button on the remote control once. Press another button on the same remote control. The latching mode is set successfully. Press the remote control button, and the corresponding receiver's relay is turned on. And the other receiver's relay is turned off. Pressing an unpaired remote button will turn off all relays on the receiver. Let's disconnect the power. A few seconds. For this receiver, you can check out other videos. Power it back on. Now you see that the remotes still work. So you don't need to repair the remote. Click the learning button on the receiver 8 times. The reset is complete when the indicator light flashes and then turns on. All paired transmitters will be unpaired and can no longer control the receiver. This is the wiring diagram for controlling 2 AC 220-volt lights. You can follow this diagram to connect yours. The most important thing is, after you've wired everything, double-check that the neutral and live wires aren't touching each other, or you'll get a short circuit. We don't want that. It can also control AC motors, by the way. I'm gonna put all the KR2202 wiring diagrams in the post. Please hit that like button and subscribe. That way, you'll be the first to know when I upload new stuff. And feel free to drop your questions in the comments section below. I'll do my best to answer them all.